Integration by substitution, part third. Question number one. Integration cos root x divided by root x dx. Let root x equal to t. 1 upon 2 root x dx will be equal to dt. We have dx upon root x. Dx upon root x will be 2 dt. So it will become twice of integration cos t dt, which will give twice of sin t plus c, twice of sin root x plus c. Question number two. Integration root sin 2x into cos 2x dx. Let sin 2x equal to t. We differentiate it. 2 cos 2x equal to dt upon dx. We have cos 2x dx. So cos 2x dx will be 1 by 2 dt. So our question will become 1 by 2 integration root t dt, which will become 1 by 2 t power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c, or 1 upon 3. This 2 will cancel out. 1 upon 3, and t is sin 2x power 3 by 2 plus c. Question number 3. Integration cos x dx divided by root of 1 plus sin x. Let 1 plus sin x equal to t. It will give cos x equal to dt upon dx, or cos x dx equal to dt. So our question will become integration dt upon root t, or integration t power minus half dt, which will become t power half divided by half plus c, or twice of t, that is 1 plus sin x power half plus c, or twice of root of 1 plus sin x plus c. Question number 4. Integration cot x times log sin x dx. Let log sin x equal to t. We differentiate it. 1 upon sin x times differences of sin x, that will be cos x equal to dt upon dx, or cot x dx equal to dt. In our question, we have cot x dx, so it will be replaced by dt, but dt must be written after. So we write t dt, because log sin x is taken as t. So it will become t squared by 2 plus c, that is 1 by 2, and log of sin x whole square plus c. Question number 5. Integration sin x dx divided by 1 plus cos x. Let 1 plus cos x equal to t minus sin x equal to dt upon dx, or sin x dx equal to minus dt. So integration minus dt upon t, which will be minus log t plus c, or minus log 1 plus cos x plus c. Question number 6. Integration sin x dx divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. Let 1 plus cos x equal to t minus sin x equal to dt upon dx, or sin x dx equal to minus dt. So integration minus dt upon t square equal to minus t power minus 2 dt, which will give minus t power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, or 1 upon t plus c, which is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cos x plus c. Question number 7. Integration 1 upon 1 plus cot x. So we write here dx. It is little tricky question. So let's try it. Dx upon 1 plus cos x divided by sin x, which will become sin x dx divided by sin x plus cos x. Here we have to arrange the same thing in numerator and also its derivative. So for that we write sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x, and we write outside 1 by 2 because sin x will become 2 sin x, and cos x will get cancelled, and the whole divided by, so we write it separately like sin x plus cos x, and here also we write sin x plus cos x dx. Now the first term will become 1. 1 by 2 integration become 1 dx, and the second term will be 1 by 2 integration sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. Now this term is easily integrable. This will give x 1 by 2 x plus, suppose we write it as I, the second term, and let's integrate it. Then we will put the value. Suppose this is equation number 1, where I is this R. This R thing is taken as I. So we can write it I equal to 1 by 2 integration sin x minus cos x dx divided by sin x plus cos x. Let sin x plus cos x equal to t. This will become cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. We have just opposite. Here sin x is positive, cos x is negative. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, we will get sin x minus cos x dx equal to minus dt. So our question becomes I equal to minus 1 by 2 integration dt upon t. So it will become minus 1 by 2 log t plus c, and we can put this value of I in previous equation. So here minus 1 by 2 log, and we have taken sin x plus cos x as t, sin x plus cos x plus c, and this I can be put in the equation for 1. Now let's take next question. So it is question number Now question number 8, integration dx upon 1 minus tan x. It is also a little tricky question. So integration dx upon 1 minus sin x upon cos x, which becomes cos x dx divided by cos x minus sin x. We write it as integration cos x minus sin x plus cos x plus sin x, and we write here 1 by 2. So overall effect is same, and dx divided by, we write cos x minus sin x separately, cos x minus sin x and cos x minus sin x. So first term will become 1 by 2 integration 1 dx, and second term will become 1 by 2 integration cos x plus sin x dx divided by cos x minus sin x. So integration of 1 dx will be just x, 1 by 2x plus, here again we take this equal to I plus I, and suppose this is question number 1. Now we are going to treat this separately and then we will put the value of I. So we write it 1 by 2 integration cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx. Let cos x minus sin x equal to t, we differentiate it, minus sin x minus cos x equal to dt upon dx, or sin x plus cos x dx equal to minus dt. Here I have multiplied by minus 1. So it will become minus 1 by 2 integration dt upon t. So this will become minus 1 by 2 log t plus c. So this value of I, minus 1 by 2 log of cos x minus sin x plus c. This value we will put in first equation and we will get the answer. Now, question number 9. Integration root tan x dx divided by sin x cos x. Now, what do we do? If we put tan x equal to t, then its differentiation will be sec square x equal to dt upon dx, or sec square x dx equal to dt. It means we need sec square x in numerator. So what do? We write root tan x into sec square x dx, and we multiply sin x into cos x into sec square x. Now one cos and one sec will cancel out, and we will get cos x, here is sin x, and this is sec x will become 1 upon cos x, sin x into 1 upon cos x will give tan x. So our question will become integration root of tan x into sec square x dx divided by, in denominator, tan x, or we can say it becomes tan x, and this is tan x, here this is under root, so we will write it sec square x dx divided by root tan x, because tan x equal to tan x into root tan x. So our question becomes sec square x dx divided by root tan x. Now let's proceed. So integration sec square x dx divided by root tan x. Let tan x equal to t. So we differentiated sec square x dx equal to dt. So our purpose is served. So this will become dt upon root t, or integration t power minus half dt, which will become t power half divided by half plus c, which further becomes twice of t power half plus c, or twice of t is tan x, and the power half means root plus c. And question number 10. Question number 10 is integration 1 plus log x whole square divided by x dx. Let 1 plus log x equal to t. We differentiate it. 1 upon x equal to dt upon dx, or dx upon x equal to dt. It will become integration t square dt, which will give t cube by 3 plus c, or 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Thank you for watching.